everyone, this is Jen from Sun LED.
Hello, this is Michael.
And we are a manufacturer in Shenzhen City, China, and we have over than 11 experience in LED industrial lighting. And today we would like to share with you our UFO Highbay. Yes, we designed this housing by ourselves. Yes, it's very compact, and it has two sides of the housing. The smaller one is 100 wattage and 150 wattage, and the bigger size is 200 wattage and 250 wattage. Yes, and the highlights of this product is that it adapts with a plug and play motion sensor. Yes, you can see just stressing the motion sensor, and it will work. And compared to the traditional way to install the motion sensor, it's too many wiring works. Yes, so it will be a very smart way to install this motion sensor. Yes, we also match a remote controller so that it can be controlled by this remote. Yes, it's very convenient to operate. Yes, we can see there are three types of the light distribution: 60 degree and 90 degree and 120 degree. And our LED chips is luminous 3030. Yes. For the driver options, we have Moson and Samsung drivers for your choices. And about the installation ways, we have hook and piping. Yes, it can be chosen by your project's needs. So this is our products. It's very unique, and if you are interested in our products, please contact us. Bye bye.
Bye.